U.S. stocks falling slightly this Wednesday morning, taking a break as the Dow Jones managed to hit a significant milestone yesterday. Disappointing jobs data kept sentiment in check this morning after the U.S. Labor Department said 778,000 people filed for unemployment benefits for the first time last week. Economists expected 733,000. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, the euro-dollar intraday support, that's around 118.90. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair, that happens to be under pressure, while the dollar-yen intraday, that's under pressure as well. Now, in focus this morning is the U.S. dollar-Canadian dollar pair, and that's under pressure, and in focus as the pair is under pressure below the horizontal resistance at 130.30 and below its 50-period moving average. Short positions below 130.30 are favored with targets at 129.85 and 129.60. An extension. Moving on the Bitcoin dollar intraday, the downside does prevail for the pair as long as 19,182 is the resistance, the pivot point 19,182, while over in precious metals intraday, its key resistance is at 1820, that's gold. Gold is capped by declining trend line and by its declining 50-period moving average. Short positions below 1820 are favored with targets at 1800 and 1791 an extension, this while silver capped by a negative trend line.